Hello guys, welcome back to Wonder's Corner YouTube channel. Thank you so much my subscribers for subscribing and staying tuned to my channel. If you're just passing by and you're yet to subscribe to Wonder's Corner YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe, click on the subscription button and also on the notification bell to always get a notification each time I post a video. Today, as you can see my less than 1 inch hair, I'm going to make a crochet braid on my short hair today. Actually, this style took me quite a number of hours, about 4 hours to complete this hair, because I made it myself on my hair. If I can, why can't you? Anything is possible in this world. Just a trial will make you know that it is very possible. Now you can see it's not really difficult. It's not even difficult at all. It's so easy. It's as easy as just taking a mirror, putting a mirror before you and cutting your hair to the portion you like, then braiding it to whatever number you want, then you fix your crochet on it. So since my hair is very short, I'm trying to secure the edges with a tiny fancy rubber band, just to secure the edges. Even they use this rubber band, fancy rubber, for long hair, just to secure it, since I'm making it myself, so I don't want it to mix up. Now you can see the number of portion I have cut the hair into. Then at first I started with the use of some hair paste, that is some piece of attachment, but later on I took it off and used my ordinary hair. So I think it wasn't just good as expected, so I had to take it off and use my hair alone. So just stay tuned. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe to my channel and you're watching this video. Please support me and encourage me to always do more by subscribing to my channel. Kindly introduce my channel to people. On this channel we learn a varieties of things, from the kitchen to fitness to home, natural remedy for your health as a lady, personal hygiene, your health remedy as a man, and so on. I'm sure you'll be glad you did after subscribing to this channel. And if you have subscribed to my channel yet, please share my videos to your friends and family. Share my video, like my videos, and comment. I appreciate and I will always respond to your comments that needs a response. Thank you. So now this is how I'm braiding it. If you noticed earlier, I took away the rubber band, then I braided it with the extension, the hair piece I had with me. I braided the hair, then I had to fix it, but later on I took it off because it wasn't as good. Like I said, it wasn't as good as I expected, so I took it off. Now let's see how it goes. You see, it's not difficult. It's not difficult at all. You can see it. You see, guys, you see it? It's not difficult. It's something you can do. If I can do it, you can do it. And stop giving stop giving your money out. Keep your money and make your hair by yourself. You're good to go. Yeah, I'm keeping myself busy with a beautiful music. Yep. You can see how far I've gone. You can see. See guys, that's beautiful. Yep. And this braid I'm using, it's handmade, and you can also make it yourself. I didn't make this myself, but I've made some myself before this time and that I have used. So I'm gonna do tutorial on how to make crochet braid yourself also, and I'm gonna post it here. Just keep watching my videos. You will learn a lot of things that will help you save your money, keep your money in your pocket. You can see now I'm using my hair alone because I discovered that using the earpiece, adding the air extension to my hair, one, it's wasting my time, it's taking a whole lot of time, and secondly, it's not as neat as I wanted it to be, because you know my hair is a natural hair and it wasn't stretched before doing this, so it's still thick, and adding an extension to it also makes it to be rough, especially in the front. So I had to take it off and fix alone on my natural hair. You see, isn't it beautiful? Now you can see the front line. I've taken the earpiece extension off. Now I had braided it like a brush braid, but I am fixing it on it. You can see. You see guys, isn't this beautiful? So for me to have achieved this, I believe you can also do more. You can also achieve this and you can do more. It's just a matter of time. It's a matter of time. You get there. See? At your leisure, you can just sit down and make your, you see the finished, just see the finished job there. See it. See babe now. Is this not beautiful? Is this not beautiful? Okay, tell me, just give me a good reason why I need to give my money to one hairdresser to fix my hair when I can get it done and still look beautiful like this. Just tell me, then I will go. If I can do this, you can do it. Subscribe to my channel. Love you.